Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to receive Bitcoin in your Luno wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to tap the Luno app icon in your app drawer from your phone. Log in, of course, using your account credentials. Now, once you log in, at the bottom navigation bar, you're going to see a couple of icons. So go ahead and tap on your portfolio icon, which is represented by a wallet icon. So from the list, once you have set up your account, you should have set up a couple of wallets, including your local currency wallet and your cryptocurrency wallet. So from here, go ahead and select your Bitcoin wallet. Now, inside the Bitcoin wallet, go ahead and tap the receive button. Now, your unique Bitcoin receiving address will appear as a long string of letters and numbers. There will also be a QR code representing this address. Tap copy to copy the Bitcoin address to your clipboard. Now send this address to the person or platform sending you Bitcoin. Alternatively, ask the sender to scan your QR code directly from your phone screen. Once the sender initiates the transaction, Bitcoin will be sent to your Luno wallet. Bitcoin transactions need network confirmations, so it might take 10 to 60 minutes to appear fully. I'd like you to know that you can track incoming transactions in your wallet transaction history. And that's it. You now know how to receive Bitcoin safely and easily on Luno. Remember to always remember and don't allow this to skip you at any time. Remember to always double check your address before sharing to avoid mistakes, because cryptocurrency transactions are highly and totally, absolutely irreversible. So I'll go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.